안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. It's getting warmer these days in Seoul, and today I want to show you how to make a summer version of kimchi, the cucumber kimchi. You wanna start from cutting both edges of the cucumber. Next, you want to split them in half. I'm going to remove the seeds out. You can use a teaspoon because the seeds has lots of liquid. Doesn't have to be perfect, but by removing the seeds from the cucumber, the kimchi comes much crunchier. Let's cut once more in half, lengthwise. So cut this in half and let's make in smaller pieces. Add 3 tablespoons of coarse salt to water and bring it to a boil. The water with some salt is boiling. At this point, turn off the heat, add all the cucumber to it, and set it aside for 10 minutes. Okay, now we want to make a stuffing and the seasoning ingredient for our cucumber kimchi. Grate or finely chop the ginger. And finally mince the garlic. This is buchu, Korean chive. Korean chives and kimchi, the cucumber kimchi goes perfect. If you cannot get it, you can use green onion or scallion instead of it. Cut the chives into 1/2 inch length. In a big bowl, let's make a seasoning. Gochugaru, Korean chili flakes. Fish sauce. This is maesil-aek, the plum extract. If you don't have it, you can add a little bit of sugar or honey to it. Minced garlic, chopped or grated ginger, and mix thoroughly. It should look like a paste, not very wet or like a sauce. It has been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to drain all the liquid. So this process is important because we want to make the cucumber very crunchy. The cucumbers are drained, but I want to remove all the excess liquid as much as possible. So using a paper towel or a kitchen cloth, squeeze out the excess water. Okay, now place the cucumber in the bowl and thoroughly mix. So you want to color the cucumber with the prepared paste. So you need to sort of knead it. Mix the cucumber with the sauce quite strong like this. Once it's mixed, then it's time to add the chopped Korean chive buchu to your kimchi. This is the basic recipe for kimchi, the cucumber kimchi. If you think it lacks a little sweet, you can add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to it. So give it a taste and adjust to your liking. Many people associate or think that all kinds of kimchi needs to be fermented. But actually, during the summer, we don't eat lots of fermented dishes. This cucumber kimchi is very crunchy and it keeps about 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on my next video.